Tokyo Organizing Committee of the Olympic and Paralympic Games. The Tokyo Organizing Committee of the Olympic and Paralympic Games Iinkai Tuan Fa Rendongjing, Orinpikku Pararinpikku Jing Jai Da Hui Zhu Jai Wei Yuan Hui, Koueki Zaidanhōjin Tokyo Orinpikku Pararinpikku Kyōgitaikai Soshiki Iinkai TOCOG is the organization responsible for overseeing the planning and development of the 2020 Summer History. The organizing committee was launched on 24 January 2014 and is composed of members of the Japanese Olympic Committee, the Japanese Paralympic Committee, the Tokyo Metropolitan Government, the Japanese government, as well as members of various other organizations and individuals from various fields. It was spearheaded by former Prime Minister Yoshiro Mori until his resignation in 2021, with Toshiro Muto as Director General CEO and former Prime Minister Shinzo Abe as its supreme advisor. Mori offered his resignation as head of the committee on 12 February 2021 following remarks he made during a meeting the previous week that were regarded as sexist. On 18 February, seven-time Olympian and LDP lawmaker Seiko Hashimoto was introduced as the committee's new president. Hashimoto is the first woman to head the TOCOG and second woman to lead the Olympic Committee after Athens 2004 Olympic Committee chairperson Gianna Angelopoulos Daskalaki. Prior to assuming the post of committee president, Hashimoto served on the Japanese cabinet as Minister of State for the Tokyo Olympic and Paralympic Games. LDP lawmaker Tameo Marukawa was selected to succeed Hashimoto in the cabinet role. As of March 2022, the committee is set to dissolve in June 2022.